Do you see it? The WF10x22 eyepiece has larger lenses and a higher second lens, making it easier for you to observe details. In contrast, the lens of the WF10x23 eyepiece is relatively small, and the second lens is lower, requiring closer proximity to observe the complete image. If you want to see more details at a glance, choosing the WF10x22 eyepiece is definitely a wise choice. Its large lenses and higher lens height allow you to easily observe the entire image without getting too close. Not only that, the design of the WF10x22 eyepiece can also provide you with a comfortable observation experience. You can maintain a natural posture without bending or squinting, and easily observe the micro world. The professional optical team of RF4 will make users feel professional.